beginner by knowledge and information. In this video we are discussing about future of AI. The future of AI is incredibly exciting and holds a lot of potential for advancements in a variety of fields. Here are some key developments that are likely to shape the future of AI. 1. Increased automation. AI will continue to automate tasks in various industries, making processes faster and more efficient. 2. Advancements in natural language processing, NLP. NLP will improve, leading to better human-computer interactions, chatbots, and language translations. 3. Enhanced personalization. AI will enable personalized experiences for consumers across various industries like healthcare, retail, and entertainment. 4. Improved predictive analytics. AI will be able to process vast amounts of data and make predictions that can help businesses make better decisions. 5. Increased safety and security. AI will improve safety and security measures by detecting and responding to threats in real time. 6. Advancements in autonomous vehicles. AI will play a significant role in the development of autonomous vehicles, making transportation safer and more efficient. 7. Enhanced healthcare. AI will revolutionize healthcare by enabling faster and more accurate diagnosis and treatments. 8. Improved robotics. AI-powered robots will become more advanced and more capable of performing complex tasks in manufacturing, agriculture, and other industries. 9. Increased accessibility. AI will become more accessible to smaller businesses and individuals as the technology becomes more widespread and affordable. 10. Continued research and development. There will be ongoing research and development of AI, leading to new breakthroughs and advancements in the field. 11. Collaboration with other technologies. AI will work in conjunction with other emerging technologies such as blockchain, IoT, and quantum computing to create new possibilities and opportunities. 12. Greater transparency. AI will be held to greater transparency and accountability standards, ensuring that the technology is trustworthy and ethical. 13. Empowering human capabilities. AI will augment human capabilities, enabling people to achieve more in less time and with greater accuracy. This will help professionals in various fields, including finance, law, and medicine, to make better decisions and improve outcomes. 14. Improved cybersecurity. As AI becomes more advanced, it will also be used to detect and respond to cyber threats, making our digital world more secure. 15. Personalized education. AI will be used to create personalized learning experiences, tailored to the unique needs of individual students. This will help improve education outcomes and create new opportunities for lifelong learning. 16. Sustainability. AI will be used to create more sustainable and eco-friendly solutions to global problems, such as climate change, pollution, and resource depletion. 17. Augmented reality and virtual reality. AI will be used to enhance augmented and virtual reality experiences, creating new possibilities for entertainment, education, and training. 18. Healthcare monitoring. AI will be used to monitor patient health, detect early signs of disease, and provide personalized treatment plans. This will improve healthcare outcomes and reduce healthcare costs. 19. Predictive maintenance. AI will be used to predict when machines and equipment will require maintenance, reducing downtime and improving efficiency in manufacturing and other industries. 20. Ethical AI. There will be increased focus on developing and implementing AI in an ethical and transparent manner, ensuring that the technology is used to benefit society as a whole. 21. AI-powered personal assistants. AI will continue to enhance the capabilities of personal assistants such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, enabling them to perform a wider range of tasks and provide more accurate and personalized responses. 22. Improved customer service. AI will be used to improve customer service, enabling businesses to provide faster and more accurate responses to customer inquiries and complaints. 23. AI in agriculture. AI will be used to monitor crop growth, detect diseases, and optimize crop yields, making farming more efficient and sustainable. 24. AI in space exploration. AI will be used to improve space exploration, enabling more accurate and efficient navigation, communication, and resource management. 25. Democratization of AI. AI will become more accessible and user-friendly, enabling individuals and small businesses to develop and implement AI-based solutions. 26. Ethics and governance. There will be increased focus on developing ethical guidelines and governance frameworks for AI, ensuring that the technology is used in a responsible and transparent manner. 27. AI-powered creativity. AI will be used to enhance human creativity, enabling artists, writers, and musicians to create new and innovative works of art. 28. Improved energy efficiency. AI will be used to optimize energy consumption and reduce waste, leading to a more sustainable and eco-friendly world. 29. AI-powered financial services. AI will be used to improve financial services, enabling faster and more accurate decision-making, risk assessment, and fraud detection. 30. AI-powered drug discovery. AI will be used to accelerate drug discovery, enabling faster and more effective treatments for a wide range of diseases. Overall, the future of AI is bright, and it will undoubtedly continue to shape and transform the way we live and work. It is essential to consider the ethical implications of AI and ensure that its development is aligned with human values and interests. The future of AI is exciting and holds many possibilities for improving our lives and solving complex problems. It is important to approach its development and implementation with caution, considering the potential risks and ethical implications. As AI continues to evolve and become more integrated into our lives, it will be essential to prioritize its responsible and ethical use. The future of AI is both exciting and challenging. As the technology continues to evolve, it will bring about significant changes in our lives, work, and society as a whole. However, it is important to approach its development and implementation with caution, considering the potential risks and ethical implications. By working together, we can harness the power of AI to create a better future for all. In conclusion, the future of AI is bright and full of potential. However, as with any new technology, it is important to approach its development and implementation with caution, considering the potential risks and ethical implications. By working together, we can harness the power of AI to create a better world for all. In next video, we will discuss about part 3, Computer Vision. What is computer vision? Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.